Good morning, dear kids. I'm taking your exercise 3.4. In that, if you have gone through my video of elimination method for solving your linear equations in two variables, then it will be easy for you to understand question number 1 of 3.4. I'll directly take fourth question of question number 1. That is x upon 2 plus 2y upon 3 is equal to 1. That's your first equation. Yes, is equal to minus 1, sorry. So for this you have to first convert this into linear equation. How you will convert this into linear equation? You will take LCM. So it will be something like this. And you will get 3x plus 4y. This 6 will go here and it will become minus 6. Now it becomes your equation number 1. Okay, and you have another equation with this as x minus y upon 3 is equal to 3. Again, as I said you have to take LCM. Take this 3 on this side. So you got 3x minus y is equal to 9 as your equation number 2. Once you got two linear equations, my dear kids, follow the elimination method which I have shown you in my previous video. That method you have to follow into this. The only thing was this was a complex equation given to you and you have to just convert into simpler linear equations for further to solve. Okay. Directly I'll jump on to question number 2, word problems. First 4 problems are quite easy. You can do it now on your own. Fourth problem I have given you the hint. बाकी first 3 are very easy. आप खुद से कर सकते हैं. Question number 2. From question number 2 also I'll guide you to make the equations. Once the equations are made, the rest of the part will be your department. That is, you have to solve it, okay, by elimination method. Form the pair of linear equations in the following 4 problems and find their solutions by elimination method. In that, first we have, if we add 1 to the numerator and 1 and subtract 1 from the denominator. So we do not know numerator, so let the numerator be x and denominator be y. So I got my fraction x upon y. It is said that 1 add करो numerator को and 1 subtract करो denominator से and fraction will be reduced to 1. मतलब fraction will become 1. That's your equation number 1. But as I said you, this is a complex equation. You have to convert this into your linear equation. How you will do that? You will cross multiply. So that will be x plus 1 is equal to y minus 1. X and y together and something like this. And that's your equation number 1. And next further it says it becomes 1 upon 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. So my fraction was x upon y. If I just add 1 to the denominator, my fraction will become 1 upon 2. Again I'll cross multiply. So that will be something like this. And that's your equation 2. Once you got 2 equations, my dear kids, the problem becomes very, very easy. Why it is easy? Because you have to just use your elimination method and solve the problem. You want me to solve it for you? Okay. So 2x minus y is equal to 1. Here y already you have. Coefficient is same 1 1 in both the cases. The sign is minus minus. And as I said you, for elimination, 2 main factors, that the coefficient should be equal and the signs should be opposite. To make the opposite sign, you have to subtract these equations, and once you subtract, my dear kids, the sign will change. Okay, so that becomes your y is eliminated and 2x minus x, it becomes minus x is equal to minus 3. Minus minus cut and the value of x is 3. Now you have to put this x value in any one equation. If you want, you can put it in your first equation, that is x minus y is minus 2. You got 3 minus y is minus 2. Minus y is minus 2 minus 3. Minus y is minus 5. So y is equal to 5. And as I said you previously also that if you have to give the answer in fraction, then you have to write it in the fraction form, that is 3 upon 5. So that's your final answer. Your x you got 3 and y you got 5. The presentation of answer should be like this. Got my point clear? Okay. Next, problem number 2, it says problem number 2, it says 5 years ago Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. So we do not know Sonu's age. So Sonu ki age be x and Nuri was thrice. So Nuri will be, if I am keeping Nuri as y, so y is equal to 3x. Nuri is 3 times Sonu. Okay. Then further it says 10 years later. So now 10 years later means plus 10 on both the sides. आप नूरी में भी प्लस 10 करेंगे, आप सोनू में भी प्लस 10 करेंगे. नूरी विल बी ट्वाइस द एज ऑफ सोनू. सो नूरीज एज क्या है? y plus 10 and it will become twice x plus 10. So that's your equation number 2. Your equation number 1 is this. Both of them you have to convert into the linear form, that is a standard linear form, that is y minus 3x is equal to 0, your first equation. And your second equation also you have to open up the brackets. Once the brackets are opened, as I said you, your variables should be on one side and your number should be on other side. And that will be your equation number 2. And once you got 2 equation, use my elimination method and get the value of x and y. Problem number 3, which says the sum of digits of a 2-digit number is 9. My dear kids, जब हम number लिखते हैं, जैसे for example 24 is the number. What is 24 actually? 20 plus 4. Or we can say these are the digits. What are these? These are the digits. So if I say, what I can say is 2 plus 4 makes 6. So what I'll say that the sum of the digits is 6 here. Okay, so sum of digits, यहाँ पे मेरे पास number नहीं है. So what I'll be writing is xy is my number. And what are the digits? So digit is x and another digit is y. And it is said that their sum is 9. So that's your equation number 1. Also 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order. Now my dear kids, जब digits की बात होती है तो हम ऐसे लेते हैं x और y. जब number की बात होती है तो number क्या है? आप यहाँ पे देखेंगे 20 plus 4 is 24. मैंने किया क्या है? तो 10 into 2 plus 4. मतलब your 10th digit and this is your units digit. तो जो 10th digit होता है उसको 10 लगाना ही पड़ता है नंबर के लिए. तो यहाँ पे जब x y आपके digits हैं तो आपका नंबर हो जाएगा 10x plus y. Got my point clear? And it is said 9 times this number. So 9 10x plus y is equal to twice the number obtained by reversing the digits. So the digit which is on unit place will go to the tens place and the digit which is on tens place will come to the units place, and that will be 10y plus x. Clear? Now you have to open the brackets. So that will be 90x, 90y, 20y, 2x. Take y together, x together. And once you solve this, you will get a nice linear equation. And that equation you can number it as equation number 2. Your equation number 1 you had this, and your equation number 2 you had this. You have to solve them simultaneously by elimination method, by making the coefficient equal and opposite sign. Clear? Okay. I'll jump on to 4th, and it says Meena went to bank to withdraw 2000. She asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 and rupees 100 notes. Now 50 rupees note, how many she got? X. 100 rupees notes, we do not know. So maybe the number of 100 rupees notes, we can keep it as y. And total 50x plus 100y, she got 2000 rupees. Am I correct with this? Okay, 2000 rupees. And it is say that Meena got 25 notes in all. मतलब आपके x और y दोनों को मिला के उसके पास 25 notes थे. So you got a very simplified equation 1 and equation 2. I'll repeat again. We have kept 50 rupees notes, number of 50 rupees notes as x and number of 100 rupees notes as y. तो दोनों मिला के उसके पास कितने नोट्स आए? 25. तो x प्लस वाई इज इक्वल टू 25. और उसके पास टोटल अमाउंट उसने कितना विड्रॉ किया? 2000. कैसे? तो जो 100 रुपीज़ नोट थे, सॉरी या वो वाई नंबर ऑफ नोट्स निकाले, तो 100 इंटू वाई 100y, और जो 50 रुपीज़ नोट्स थे x, गेटिंग माई पॉइंट, वो x नंबर ऑफ नोट्स उसने निकाले, तो 50 इंटू एक्स 50x. तो 50 इंटू एक्स प्लस 100 इंटू वाई विल गिव यू द टोटल अमाउंट शी हैज़ withdrawn, that is 2000. Once you got two equation, you have to go for elimination method, as I always say, the best method to be used. Yes, what you can do is you have to take 50x plus 100y is equal to 2000 and x plus y is equal to 25. Now it's up to you which coefficient, which variable you want to eliminate. So if I want to eliminate, suppose y, so I'll multiply this with 100, so that I'll get 100x plus 100y is equal to 2500, and I'll take this equation down to equate with this. But the signs are not opposite, so I have to make them with opposite sign by subtracting. So I'll get 50x is equal to 500. From there I'll get value of x as 10. Clear? Once you got the value of x, you have to just put it into your, so how many notes of 50 rupees? 10 notes. एंड ऑब्वियसली जब आपको पता है कि 25 नोट्स मिल रहे हैं, उसमें से 10 नोट आपके 50 रुपीज़ के हैं, तो बाकी 15 नोट आपके 100 रुपीज़ के होंगे. बट दैट x वैल्यू यू हैव टू पुट इट इन एनी वन इक्वेशन टू गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ y. इज दैट क्लियर? ओके, एंड देन वी हैव प्रॉब्लम नंबर 5. And problem number 5 says a lending library has a fixed charge for first 3 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter. तो first 3 days के लिए एक fixed charge है, okay, and then there is a variable cost. Sarita paid 27 for a book kept for 7 days. See, for first 3 days you have a fixed charge. एंड अगर आप 7 डेज़ के लिए रख रहे हो तो 3 डेज़ का तो आपने x रख दिया, तो बाकी बचते हैं 4 डेज़. सो अगर उसका वेरिएबल कॉस्ट हम लोग y रख रहे हैं तो 4y हो जाएगा. एंड शी पेड टोटल 27 रुपीज़. ओके, एंड फर्दर इफ़ शी केप्ट बुक फॉर 5 डेज़, तो फर्स्ट 3 डेज़ के लिए वेरिएबल कॉस्ट सेम है, सॉरी फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट सेम है, और आप 5 डेज़ के लिए रख रहे हो तो 3 दिन तो यहाँ पे निकल गए, बाकी बचते हैं 2y एंड शी हैज़ पेड 21. Just a second. Okay, this background noise is a bit difficult. Okay, I'll explain again what is the thing. जब हम लोग ने अगर आपने प्रीवियस एक्सरसाइज में प्रॉब्लम देखा हो, तो वी हैव डन दैट टैक्सी फेयर वाला प्रॉब्लम. In that we have done that once you sit in a taxi, there is one fixed amount that you have to pay and one is variable cost depending upon the kilometers you are traveling. So similarly here we have a fixed amount to the library. Once you go inside, if you are taking book for minimum 3 days, तो 3 days का तो fixed है, तो उसको मैंने रख दिया x. अच्छा, अभी एक बंदा आया जिसने 7 डेज़ के लिए लिया, तो 3 डेज़ फिक्स्ड है, बाकी 4 डेज़ का उसको पेमेंट करना है, डिपेंडिंग आपका पर डे का पेमेंट कितना है उस बुक का. तो मैंने पर डे का पेमेंट y रख दिया. अगर आप 4 डेज़ के लिए ले रहे हो तो 4y हो जाएगा. तो ये जो बंदा है उसने 4 डेज़ के लिए लिया और उसने 27 टोटल पे किया. सो दैट बिकम्स एन इक्वेशन दैट x प्लस 4y इज इक्वल टू 27. एंड अगेन अनदर गर्ल और वॉट एवर इट इज सेड इन द प्रॉब्लम, एक और बंदा आया जिसने 5 डेज़ के लिए लिया है. 5 डेज़ के लिए लिया है तो अगेन फर्स्ट 3 डेज़ तो आपका x है, बाकी बचता है 2 डेज़. 2 डेज़ वेरिएबल कॉस्ट y है, तो 2y हो जाएगा एंड शी पेड 21. सो दैट इज़ योर इक्वेशन 1 एंड दैट इज़ योर इक्वेशन 2. फ्रॉम हियर यू हैव टू एलिमिनेट एंड गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ x and y. Is that clear, my dear kids? So here it comes an end of 3.4, and if you have any doubt you can message me. Okay, God bless.